Housing, food, and good health. Those are the top three needs one organization is working to address. 211 Big Bend has seen a dramatic increase in calls for help since the start of the coronavirus pandemic. With the COVID-19 vaccine rollout, they showed me the new ways they're helping our community rebound.
Well, it certainly feels good to be able to help someone and hear somebody say, well, you've really helped me today.
Steven Sardellis is a hotline supervisor at 211 Big Bend. Just like you would call 911 for emergencies, you can call 211 for help with things like food or shelter.
Helpline 211, this is Samantha.
The last year has been hectic.
Steven says since last March, they've seen a 50% call increase.
A lot of these problems were already there. COVID has just exacerbated it.
Domestic violence, homelessness, suicide, homicide.
Paulina Lewis is an outreach and education coordinator at 211.
Is there a need for volunteers or employees here?
Always. We're always looking for new volunteers.
Answering calls for help from people like Kimberly Jones.
I was homeless for a while, and it was really hard for me to find places to eat.
Until she found this food pantry put on by Good News Outreach in Tallahassee.
I heard about this through a friend, 211.
And throughout most of the pandemic, these cubicles have been kept pretty much empty. They have counselors answering calls remotely to keep everyone safe.
Of course, I personally think more people getting vaccinated is going to help.
Now, they're fielding more and more calls from people asking where and how they can get the COVID vaccine.
People can actually call us and ask for the Lift Ride United program.
And get a ride to a vaccine site if they meet the criteria. As the calls keep coming, they're looking to add to their team with about 30 more volunteers.
The most important quality that we're really looking for is people who are reliable.
Standing by day and night.
It is really nice to be able to connect with another person
to help the Big Bend rebound. Now, you do not have to be in crisis to call 211. There's no eligibility criteria and the services are free. I'm adding a link for upcoming volunteer opportunities and other resources to help under the Rebound section of WTXL.TV.